How to connect iPhone to Honda Civic. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, you're going to learn how to connect your iPhone to a Honda Civic using both Bluetooth and USB cable. Whether you're trying to make hands-free calls or play your favorite music, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Step 1. Connect via Bluetooth. First, let's pair your iPhone with the car using Bluetooth. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and make sure it's turned on. Now, in your Honda Civic, press the phone button on the dashboard. When prompted, select Yes to add a new device. Then, choose Add a Bluetooth device or pair. Your Civic will now show a passkey on the screen. On your iPhone, tap the name that matches your Honda, then confirm the code when it appears. Tap Pair on your iPhone and Yes on the car screen. After a few seconds, the devices should be connected. You may also get a prompt to allow contacts and messages. Just tap Allow if you want those features. Step 2. Connect via USB cable. You can also connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your Civic's USB port, usually inside the center console or dashboard area. Once connected, your car should automatically detect it. Select USB or iPod as the source, and now you can play music or charge your phone while driving. Tips: remember, Apple CarPlay is not available in the 2013 model. Some trims may only support Bluetooth for calls, not music. And that's it. This was the tutorial on how to connect your iPhone to a Honda Civic using Bluetooth or USB. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.